Hello friends, we have earlier discussed about the online classes and examinations. So it was a very big problem for the parents, for the community, in the social media. The people were differently criticizing that, and they were asking the questions that how much they are useful if the children will be able to give the exam through the without going to school online, how the exams will be conducted and how they are feeling about the online classes. They are useless, many people were saying, but some were very much happy because their expenses were become less, their tensions become less because the children were at home. There was no tension that they have to go to leave them to school and then bring them from the school. The daily duty become less, then expenses on the van, these things are become less. And yes, no doubt the children are feeling differently. Some children are saying that online classes they are enjoying very well, and exams, moreover they have exams also, they have enjoyed. But some are saying that they are missing something also, just like they are missing their friends, the touch and feeling of their friends. They are missing their teachers, the direct contact from the teacher, and scolding of the teachers, and the campus, the playing, the sharing of the lunch with each other. They are missing to that also. So I have thought that I must ask from these questions from the students how they are feeling. So I have gone to different students. I had talked with them, and started this talk with the very small little girl, and she has expressed her ideas. You can see that how she has expressed her ideas about the online classes, and then about the exams and other different things. I have asked the questions from different students, and they have expressed their ideas. In this video you will see that how boldly they are telling, and how they are happy about these things. So let us see that how they are, what they are saying.
This pandemic year of 2020, we all are attending the online classes from our home. These online classes save me from the headache of waking up early in the morning, wearing your school uniform. And again, after returning to your home, you just have to take out your school uniform, tie up your hairs, and a lot of mess like that. But at the same end, I'm missing my classmates, my teachers, their talks, their laughters, and most importantly, their attention towards what the teacher is saying.
Myself, Poonal Agarwal of Class 8. Today I am here to share my experience on the online classes. Earlier I was so tense. There are so many questions coming in my mind. How the teacher will teach us, how we will study, how we would be our query. But now I am satisfied. My first online class is of social science. And the greatest thing is that there are so many benefits of the online classes, such as we can sit where we want, we can wear a casual dress, we can ask to teacher, we can talk to our friends, we can increase the time period of the class. There are so many benefits. My experience of online class was good and it is enjoyable. Thank you. Exam will be conducted, but now I am satisfied. My first exam was of general knowledge, and one of the greatest thing is that app from which I am giving the exam was working soothingly and it was effortless. There are only 20 MCQs, and we got a plenty of time, around 45 minutes, to do the exam. That was my good experience and it was enjoyable. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Sneha Seth, and I'm a student of class 12 Commerce. Well, speaking for the experience of my online exams, I would say it was really good and it was really different actually from what we had in our actual exams. But the mock test conducted in the starting made it really easy for us to understand the process and the pattern which is gonna be in the exams. Though we have a little worry about the evaluations since there were one or two questions in our exam which were incorrect or were incomplete. We are worried if we're gonna get a mark for it since it is gonna be all self-evaluated by the computer itself. And in order to conclude, I would say it was really good and was well conducted by our school. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Zoya of class 8C and today I'll be sharing my first online exam experience. So it was a very first time for all of us giving exam online, and there was a lot of difference between online exam and offline exam. As in online exam we need a good network, and in offline exams that we give usually we need some stationery and all that things. So and at first I was very nervous about how to give exam and how to give the answers and how to submit it. But as I started reading the instructions given by the school, so all my doubts got cleared. And we also get the time duration in which we have to complete our exam and submit it by the given time. And we also write the answer in the single line or single word instead of a paragraph. So it was a new and good experience for me. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Samat Agarwal and I study in 8th standard in St. Paul's School. Today I am going to express my views and share experience about my online classes and online exams. See, online exams are compulsion and we have to attend it. Those who are not taking it lightly or not paying attention on it, they are doing their loss, because our main priority is to gain knowledge, whether it is offline or it is online. Our main aim is to study. But if classes were taken in school or exams were conducted in school, it will be better. But it's a new experience, because every day is a new opportunity and a new opportunity is a new experience. So it was a new experience for me, not only me, for all my friends, all of us, and we enjoyed that. So no matter that it's online or offline, we have to study, we have to gain knowledge. So thank you all. Thank you everyone.
My ma'am, myself, Kashi Yadav of class 8C, and the experience I'm having while doing online classes is really good. And this is a very good platform for us to interact with our teachers. The teacher can also see us, and we can also talk to our teacher. There are many options, many features in this online classes like chat option, raising hand, and this is really good. So I'm enjoying this. Thank you. My ma'am, myself Kashi Yadav of class 8C, and my first online experience of exams were really good, and it was quite easy also. At first I was quite worried and thinking about these things, that how they're going to do the examination, but when I gave my first examination of GK, it cleared all my doubts. It was really easy, and the best thing of the thing was that it was a really smooth functioning app, and the system was also smooth functioning. It resembles our UT. There were 20 questions and 45 minutes, and the time was also good. We have plenty of time, so it was really a good experience for me to give exams online, and I enjoyed this. Thank you. My ma'am, myself, Kashi Yadav of class 8C, and the experience I'm having while doing online classes is really good. And this is a very good platform for us to interact with our teachers. The teacher can also see us, and we can also talk to our teacher. There are many options, many features in this online classes like chat option, raising hand, and this is really good. So I'm enjoying this. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Anshika Agarwal and I study in class 8C. My first online exam was very good, and I gained a lot of experience from that online exam. First I was little bit scared about giving online exam because I have not given it before that, and it was first attempt of mine, so that's why I'm very scared. But when I opened it, then it was very simple and easy, and it was better, and it was gone too good also. So this is my experience about online class only.
So, my dear friends, you have seen that how the children are expressing very boldly their experiences, and they are more students are in the queue. Their parents are in the queue. Some teachers are also in the queue. They are willing to express their ideas about the online classes, exams, and how they felt about and how they are feeling it, what they want exactly. Some are they are now fed up by sitting at home. They wanted to go to school, but the situation is not still under the control so that they can go to school. So I will come with more videos. So be connected with me so that you can get more and more videos like that, and you can see your children on the screen and YouTube, that how they are expressing their ideas. And so if you want to get more and more, please subscribe the channel more and more, share with your friends, relatives, so that they can also subscribe and get the new videos connected to their children and connected to their relatives. They are real videos, how they are feeling and saying. So till then, bye. Have a nice day.